Now, what is our project today? Oh, nice. I'm going to install a light fixture exactly like that on the wall right here. You want to watch that? Stick around. Now, there used to be a wall sconce up there, and I took that down a long time ago. I didn't even make a video of that. I took those down before I painted all these walls. I was going to put those wall sconces back up, but Mommy says absolutely not. We're going to get some new light fixtures. And so we're going to use these particular light fixtures for wall sconces. And wall sconces are supposed to give you an ambiance type light, because we're going to put another one here, we're putting one here, we're going to put one here, we're actually going to put one down the stairs. And the question became, after I installed this one, I didn't realize the light was going to be so bright to the right and to the left, and that's a good thought. This type of light fixture like this would be good in a bathroom, wouldn't it? Like that, isn't that nice? That's very nice and modern looking. Okay, it didn't really cost that much either at the Lowe's box store we got that at. And Mommy asked me a good question. Can we dim those? Can we put a dimmer light switch in here? And I was reading the directions and I'm pretty sure I can. And so I'm going to do that later on. We're going to see if these LED little lights are going to dim, and I'm pretty sure they were. I read the directions and everything. And that I'll be putting that on a different video on replacing this, taking this light switch out, this single pole light switch, installing a single pole dimmer switch. And a single pole dimmer switch or a single pole light switch is only supposed to be for one location, but I believe this single pole light switch is for both of these because they interconnected the wires. They went up to here and then they looped over to this other one. I'm pretty sure this one light switch is going to control both of those. And that's okay if they're hooked up in tandem, as long as you don't have another light switch. If we had a light switch here to connect those two, and it was connected to this light switch over here, which it's not, that would be a three-way light switch, and then you'd have to get a three-way dimmable light switch. That's a three-way, not a single pole light switch. Do you see what I'm saying? That'll all be on a different video. This particular video happens to do with just installing the light fixture up there, and you don't have to be an electrician or anything. I'm going to make sure that the power is off. I'm also going to take those wire nuts off, and I'm going to test them with a wire tester to make sure, 100% sure. And I look up here from before, and this one happens to be connected to ground wires, and this is 2 black wires, 2 white wires. Lots of times your light switch only has one set of wires, 1 white, 1 black, 1 ground. And that's another thing that tells me that one there only had 1 white, 1 black, 1 ground. So see, what they probably did was it came up from this light switch. The power was from the light switch. They came up and one set of wires was coming out, and then they went and put another set of wires from there over to there. That's why there's 2 blacks, 2 whites, 2 grounds, because that light fixture is feeding that light fixture. Okay, so when we hook it up, yes, we're going to have to use the wire nuts, and I don't know if I'll probably end up using the red wire nuts. If that's what they ended up using, I'll probably be able to use that, or I could use yellow or something like that, because usually light fixtures, they only give you like usually orange wire nuts, and orange wire nuts are smaller than reds. They're actually, you got reds, then you got yellows, and then you got orange, then you have even tinier ones that are little blue ones, or different colors and stuff, and then they have bigger ones than red. But we'll just see. You'll have to watch this video if you want to see me install this particular light fixture right here. So the first thing I'm going to do with that is I'm going to make sure my light switch is turned off. And usually your single pole light fixture light switches, this is off, this is on. Okay? And I'm going to get up there and test that. I always kind of do this. I'm 99.9999% sure that this light fixture is connected to that light switch. And you know, you still want to do your due diligence in checking it out, because you never want to work on hot wires up in a light fixture box or a light switch or an electrical outlet or anything like that. I'm just kind of cleaning this off. I shouldn't really do this if those wires are hot. I don't believe they are. And man, they hardly gave me any room for the ground wire and all that kind of stuff. And I may have to take a pigtail off of the ground wire to come out so I can hook it up to the light fixture. And so I'm just going to take my tester, and no, there's nothing. I'm gonna hit this light switch over here, and these should be hot. Okay, see the orange light on this tester goes on. When I test that, that's on, that's hot. Turn that light switch off. And see, it's off now. And if you really were absolutely so paranoid that you needed to turn the breaker off, if you want, you can turn the light switch on, make sure you know which ones are on and stuff, and then you can flip breakers and turn off the breaker that it's on. You know what I mean? So you could do that too. I don't know why they made these wires so cotton picking short, but they did. And so now I'm going to have to work on it, and I'm going to have to figure out what to do with this ground wire that's short. I think I'm going to work on that first so I can push that back in the box. Okay, that's going to be kind of tricky in itself. And you might be wondering, how are you going to connect the wire that comes from the light fixture to that? Well, most wires, by code, these wires are supposed to be sticking out of the box 6 inches. This one is so short in there, it's ridiculous on how they got that hooked up. And you know, I could hook that up that way. It would be really tricky to do it without putting a pigtail on there. But I'm going to get the light fixture opened, and we'll look at that, and we'll talk about that in a minute.